Ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, Beshies! Are you looking for a budget-friendly microphone that you can easily attach to your phone? Perfect for vlogging, streaming, and even interviews. Discover items with me here in Unboxing with Brigs.
Hi, Beshies. So this is how I sound without the microphone.
And this is how I sound with the microphone, with the noise cancellation feature activated. Plus, it also has a reverb function, perfect for those who are covering songs like me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.